This is the story of transferring desert into fertile, living soils. We are losing millions of hectares basically every year from fertile soils into deserts because the way we manage our soils is not appropriate and erosion is immense. I'm Helmi Amouleish and working in the SECAM initiative since 1977 here in Egypt. SECAM was a piece of desert. It was not very obvious, this idea, dream my father had to establish a biodynamic farm in the desert. Now, after 47 years, we can prove that this concept, based on organic, sustainable, regenerative agricultural practices and investing all of our profits into human development and community development, is working, is competitive. And this is how it could expand and how we have today thousands of farmers supplying us and thousands of people working with us. And in every single household in Egypt, you have our products in a way or another. From the profits of these companies, we have set up a school, hospitals, and this university, and hence are considered somehow a model for business in the 21st century. So we are very, very happy that we could upscale the concept of biodynamic farming from one farm, which is SECAM, to currently 15,000 farmers, and it will hopefully reach 40,000 farmers in the next 1.5 years and 250,000 farmers before 2030. This concept of sustainable development, of organic biodynamic agriculture, those are the concepts of the future. This is what the future needs. This is what the world will see more and more, and they will ultimately mainstream in this world. Join the movement to catalyze change. Join Generation Restoration.